This is my YouTube channel, and welcome in this informational session. In this video, we will provide the information to set up an installation guide for your Annke Security camera. Here, you will be able to connect your security camera with Wi-Fi network. Let's start the setup guide first. To start the process, first of all, download the Annke Smart app from your App Store or Play Store. Then open the app and click on Agree. Now, click on the Sign Up, then type your email address and verify the account by typing verification code. Verification code will be received on your email. Next, set your password and click on the Done button. After then, click on the Allow pop-up. Next, click on Add Device and click the Continue. Now click on the camera which you want to set up. Follow the app instruction, where you need to power on and then reset the security camera. Click the Next button, and once you choose the 2.4 Wi-Fi network, then type the Wi-Fi password here, and click Next. Now, get a QR code, place this code in the front of camera and heard a beep sound when it's scanned. After then, click on, I heard a prompt. It takes up to 2 minutes, then click Done. Congratulations! The Annke camera installation and setup process is completed. For any issue, reach out the technical experts.